It's 6 p.m. I just finished my work. It's time for making dinner. Richie is on the chair nearby. He is always somewhere close to me, as always. He must be hungry now. I'm going to cook something quick for dinner. I'm going to stir-fry chicken breast with cucumber. Wash the cucumber first. Then dice the cucumber. I also need to peel the garlic. Chop the garlic. Chop the chili. Richie is always waiting outside of the kitchen while I am cooking. Now I'm start to cook. I really like the flavor of Sichuan peppercorns, so I usually fry them in oil first, then take them out before adding other ingredients. Add chicken breast. Pan fry them for a few minutes until it's almost cooked. Then add garlic and chili. Add a little soy sauce, a little vinegar, a little sugar. Add the cucumber. Stir-fry them evenly. A little chicken bouillon. It's done. I also steamed rice and pumpkin as main food. Everything is ready. It's time for dinner. It's very simple. Stir-fried chicken and cucumber. Steamed pumpkin and rice. This one tastes great. Richie is having his cat's food, and he really enjoys it. He has a good appetite as always. I also really enjoy our quiet and peaceful dinner time. After dinner, it's playtime for Richie. He seems very excited to play with his toy. Richie is very tired after playing and lies on the ground. I am also very tired after a whole day of work. My back and neck don't feel good because I sit in front of the computer all day. I plan to get a blend massage downstairs. It's quite close, just a few minutes walk. I'm passing by a pharmacy, and there's a lovely cat friend here. 黑头儿，哎呀，黑头儿，哇哦，黑头儿，过来，哎呀，嘿嘿嘿，真棒，真棒，哎呀，哎呦喂，真棒，真棒，哎呦，又藏起来了，哎呦，哎呦，黑头儿。Bye. Bye, Peter. I said goodbye to my cat friend, and I am near the massage place now. I've been here before. It's upstairs. I booked 1 hour massage on my phone and it is 68 yuan, about $10 US. The mothers working here are blind or visually impaired. It's a little cheaper than other places. I told him my back and neck are not really good. 这儿肩，还有这个背。
全是1个小时哦。
好的。I have tried Thai massage before in Thailand, but it was too soft for me. I prefer this kind of blend massage with firmer pressure. Oh.
这边的比较高，自己摸一下。这边这个地方会比较高，
这个高是吗？
这边比较
哦。
高低肩，这块肉比较紧的。
哦，什么原因造成的呢？
这个就是你平时的就是生活习惯、坐姿啥的。
好嘞。
就感觉一下你的肩就平了。说吧。
好，谢谢。
没事，对的。
My back feels a little better after massage. I'm walking home. It's about 9 p.m. There are still a lot of people on the street. I'm home now. Richie is waiting for me at the door. Richie will have a late night snack before going to bed. That's his every night routine. After eating, he will clean himself thoroughly. I'm trying to give him a massage before going to bed. But I'm not as professional as the blind mothers. Richie seems like it and he really enjoys it. That's my quiet, peaceful night routine. It really helps him ready for bed. Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching.